Bobcat equipment. You've seen it on construction sites, farms, rentals, and municipalities. Now you can bring this legendary brand home with a lineup of tough compact and subcompact tractors. I'm Pete Atterberg, Product Marketing Specialist here at Bobcat. With an extensive lineup of models, horsepower ranges, and transmission types, the new Bobcat compact tractor lineup has a perfect fit for your property. If you like caring for your land, you'll love how much you can achieve with our new products from the toughest brand on earth. They're sized perfectly to handle all kinds of chores and property maintenance. They're built tough to stand up to harsh conditions, extreme weather, and heavy-duty tasks. And they're a dream to operate, with well-thought-out controls, easy implement hookups, and a comfortable operator station. Standard four-wheel drive, from subcompact models to our largest tractors, provides the traction you need for the job, and with travel speeds as high as 17.5 miles per hour, depending on the model, you'll get it done quickly. These machines are dimensionally well balanced to feel powerful and capable, yet comfortable to use and easy to control. A solid combination of weight, wheelbase length, tire options, and overall engineering helps you confidently tackle the task at hand. Across the 15 model lineup, you'll find multiple transmission styles to fit your work, budget, and preferred style of operation. Choose from 2-range or 3-range hydrostatic, electronic hydrostatic, manual shift, and synchro shuttle transmissions. Maximum maneuverability is key to effective mowing, tilling, and more. And Bobcat tractors feature a tight turning radius that gets you in close to trees, buildings, and other obstacles. On mini models, the dual pedal braking system can assist you in maintaining a minimal turning radius by nearly pivoting the tractor on its inside rear wheel. The front end loader is a must-have for digging, dirt moving, loading, and carrying material. The Bobcat front end loader is easy to attach and remove. Plus, it delivers competitive lift capacity and height for exceptional productivity. Its quick attach mounting system enables you to use a variety of attachments. With just a quick change, you can gear up for more tasks and bring more value and versatility to your property. Front-end loaders are equipped with float functionality to follow ground contours as you work. Mid-PTO also gives you the option of a drive-over mid-mount mower or other front-mount attachments. At the rear, the 3-point hitch enables you to do a large number of tasks on your property with both pull-behind and PTO-powered implements. Every Bobcat compact tractor makes it as easy as possible for you to hook up and remove implements as needed. Many models come with premium features such as telescopic lower lift arms, turnbuckle, or cassette-style sway bars, depending on the model, or crank-style lower link adjustments. Rear remote hydraulics allow you to leverage even more attachment versatility by enabling hydraulic functions used to control and position many implements. They come standard on our 2000 and 5000 platforms, and they're optional on our 1000 and 4000 platforms. 3 different tire options make a big impact on the type of work you can do. On Bobcat compact tractors, you can select the style that's right for you, without paying extra for a non-standard tire. Agricultural tires give you deep lugs and aggressive traction for soft soil or muddy ground. Turf tires minimize disturbance on established lawns and landscaping. And general purpose industrial tires give a good balance between traction and minimal ground disturbance. Comfortable operator stations are a key benefit of every Bobcat tractor. Our 1000, 2000, and 4000 tractors have an open station. We also offer a deluxe factory-installed radio-ready cab with heat and air conditioning on our 2000 and 5000 platforms. Open stations allow you to get on and off the tractor throughout the day. If you're working in extreme conditions, the cab enclosure will keep you working comfortably. That's just the basics of our compact tractor lineup. Once you select the model that's right for your property, you'll discover an impressive offering of convenient features and design characteristics that will make you more productive while maintaining your property and help you enjoy it more. You can check out the entire lineup of Bobcat compact tractors right here on Bobcat.com or see your dealer to try one out. Until next time, this is Pete Atterberg at Bobcat.